In this video, we will understand the 4 components of hosting. When we talk about hosting, there are 4 separate elements to consider because most of the business owner combine 4 of them together as website hosting. For best practice, from performance and security perspective, each of the 4 components should be with a separate provider because downtime is 100% going to be happen regardless which provider you use. So if you use all of the 4 components with the same provider, then you are completely offline if there is an outage. So by separating them, you can minimize down completely downtime issue and performance improvements as no any provider is the best at all 4. Domain name. Your domain name is controlled and maintained by your domain registrar, or what we call the domain name you buy from. Technically, you don't own a domain. You just rent it for a certain period of time. DNS hosting. DNS hosting or domain name hosting is what that converts web address to internet address, or what we call IP address. The internet runs on IP address. So without this service, you can't host anything. So in this case, a fast DNS hosting is an important factor for website performance. Email hosting. For receiving or sending business email is one of the most important factors to make sure all the email services are working fine all the time. So a reliable email hosting provider is essential for all serious business owners. Web hosting. This is the service that hosts your website, including all your website files. So choosing the right web hosting for your needs is very important. I'm sure you don't want to overspend your budget for the things that you don't need, or choosing the cheapest package that can't even meet your basic needs, right? So for best practice, each of the 4 components should be with the separate provider as you can, so that you will not completely or totally unavailable if there is an outage.